In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages in Notion. Whether you're organizing personal projects or managing professional tasks, keeping your workspace tidy and focused can boost productivity and ensure your processes run smoothly. Sometimes, that might mean hiding certain pages that aren't needed at the moment. Let's walk through a practical way to do that. First, consider why you might want to hide a page. It could be to streamline what you see daily, making important pages more accessible and reducing visual clutter. While Notion doesn't currently offer a direct hide page feature, there are clever workarounds to achieve a similar outcome. We're going to utilize these methods today. Begin by opening Notion on your favorite device. Navigate to the sidebar on your left. This sidebar shows all your pages, both top-level and nested ones. Identify the page you want to hide. It's important to keep in mind that hidden pages aren't truly gone, they'll just be moved to a less visible location. A simple trick is to create an archive page or a less frequently used database. You can do this by clicking on the New Page button at the bottom of your sidebar. Title it Archive or anything meaningful to you. Then, you might choose an icon that signifies it's a storage space, which can be a helpful visual cue. Once you've created an archive page, you can drag and drop the pages you want to hide into this archive. Simply click and hold the page you wish to hide, then drag it onto the archive link in your sidebar. You'll see a visual cue when you've correctly positioned it over the archive, then release the mouse button. This action moves your page from its original location into your newly created archive page. Your chosen pages are now less visible but still safely stored within Notion. It's an effective method to visually simplify your workspace. If you ever need to access these pages again, simply open the archive page, where they will be waiting for you. For added organization, you may also choose to group similar hidden pages under another sub-page within the archive. Remember, this is your workspace. Customizing it to fit your workflow is key. Organize your archive page logically, perhaps by project or type of content, for instance. This will help you locate and retrieve specific pages more easily later on. In summary, while Notion does not have an explicit function to hide pages, leveraging the archive method allows you to keep a clean and focused dashboard. It's a practical approach to ensure your most critical projects and tasks are front and center, without permanently discarding those pages you may need again later. I hope this tutorial was helpful and gave you a clearer understanding of how to manage pages within Notion effectively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more organization tips and tricks.